Good morning and welcome to day 2, or as we like to call it, our first full day. So we are getting settled into our one-bed villa now at Kidani. So it is looking very lived in. It got like this pretty quick. But you know, we're on holiday, so we've just been down to the shop. The great thing about these places is you get a bit of a kitchen. Daisy's making a hot chocolate. For sure. The coffee pot is on, and we've got some bits from the shop downstairs. So we've got some eggs, some milk, some cereal. The kids like ham and cream cheese bagels for breakfast on holiday, so we're going to get those sorted. To give you an idea, if you are looking at one of these, this is what the bed configuration looks like. So that's where Luke's sleeping. That chair there pulls out into a chair bed. Luke is watching his YouTube. And yeah, so Tracey's in the shower, getting all squared away. I'm about to hop into the shower and then we are off to Animal Kingdom for the morning. So we will see you at Animal Kingdom. Ooh, lovely morning.
Oh, it's a lovely morning.
So we're heading on down to the bus stop. So today's fashion with Cheers is Luke's rocking full tight kit.
I can't help it.
And Daisy got some very fancy ears. Don't pull that face. If you've never seen Tracey totally lose it, this is what it looks like. Now to add a bit of context, we just did that face thing where you put your face thing in to see who you look like. Everyone got like cool people eye guards.
Well, yesterday you got the Dalai Lama. No, you got that. Nice picture, Potter.
Today you are mostly looking like J.K. Rowling.
How are you feeling about Animal Kingdom?
Oh, really good.
Nice to be back.
It's good to be back. Excited for a day of rides and happiness.
Nice. How are you feeling about being back?
It's indescribable. It's been so long, over a year, and I'm now ready for Animal Kingdom.
Nice.
Not sure about Kidani River episode first thing because it's not sunny yet, and I think we're going to get really wet.
That'll be fine. Got ponchos. So we're all through bag check. Top tip: if you are going through bag check, make sure all of your pockets and zips on your backpacks are undone. Any like big items like jackets or anything that are in your bags are out, so they can get you go through all the pockets and you can get through nice and quick. Thank you. So we're all in and we're going to head over to Pandora, look around and we start using our fast passes. Right, so we are all in, heading over to Pandora. Who's excited?
Very excited. I'm excited.
I don't want to go shopping
They're too busy
today.
to be excited.
So we're just walking in and there's the Tree of Life. Just absolutely fantastic. You excited?
I'm very excited. I love Pandora.
Daisy's team leader cutting through the shop because this cuts the corner off. Avoid some of the crowds. I thought she just wanted to buy stuff.
It's a sneaky attempt to actually look at merch.
So this is Tiffin's on the right. Absolutely fantastic restaurant. Food in there is amazing. We had a good meal in there, didn't we?
Service is incredible too.
Yeah. And right next door to Tiffin's is the Nomad Lounge. If you want to go somewhere and just get away from the parks, if it's a bit hectic, Nomad Lounge is the place for you. Super fancy, comfy seats, lovely food. Yeah, and it's just there just before you go into Pandora. So we're heading into Pandora. Park feels pretty chill. It's a little bit overcast today, so it's not like super hot. So we're just heading in. Doesn't seem too crowded. Got some wilderness explorers there talking about some naturey bits. This whole area is just breathtaking.
I say it every time.
Yeah.
It doesn't get less stunning the more you see it. It just gets better the more you see it.
And it's just the enormity of it. Massive. And this is like a big old drum set. They come out and do a show on there. Hopefully we'll catch it later. But for the time being, all the kids are having a bang on the drums. Daisy, see these pods?
Yeah.
Do they look like the pods that are on the Little Mermaid bit? You know, at the end when all the water's squirting up?
I don't really remember. I just think they look like oranges too.
So we're heading to the Otter Grotto. Never ever ever been down here. Yeah. So in the Otter Grotto, there seems to be a distinct lack of
Either there's no otters or the otters look a lot like fish.
pretty cool. So can confirm, no, not a single otter. Or maybe they're all at Universal, because they're more about Harry Otter. No? Or they may all be over with like Goodfellas, Ray Liotta.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it could make a little fancy bit.
If you build it, they will come. So we are heading into Africa. It's pretty hectic, but the drummers are out. So we've done a right at Africa because we're heading over to Asia for Kali River Rapids. Here's a really good view of the Tree of Life. So as we're walking over to Kali River, all of like the food places are opening up for lunch. How nice does it smell?
It smells amazing. I feel really hungry. I'm not even hungry.
So if you're going on Kali River Rapids, you get these lockers. I think you get an hour free. Might be slightly longer actually, might be 2 hours, but you'd need to check. So you just put the details in there, allocates a locker, make your own PIN code, put your backpack in so nothing gets wet.
Hello.
What's up?
Hello. It's me, Keith, leader of Cheers Ears.
We're going on the ride.
It's gonna be great.
Can we get
I'm very excited. It's gonna get a bit moist, a little poncho. Ponchos cost £15.99, so for me it's really worth it. Keeps me nice and dry. So yeah, we're gonna head on to the ride. It's gonna be great. See you in a bit. Cheers, Ears. The stabilizer on this is really cool. I let it go up really quick. If I move it, it's really smooth. It's like a head. It's like what your brain does. This is Luke Cam. This is what I see. I don't even know where he is. We'll never know. This is
recording.
Yeah, I've attached it to my head and I'm looking around. It's pretty cool. We probably won't use this in the video, but it's just, oh, you can see what I see, except probably in better quality because I've not got my glasses on.
We are looking, it's Team Smurf.
I feel like a gangster.
Right, who's ready?
Me. I'm ready. We're not going to get wet, which is good. We are.
We're heading on to Kali River, all smurfed up. What's that?
Ponchos, they're not really a flattering look.
You are rocking that.
You think?
Look at you.
I might go Disney Springs in this bad boy.
Yeah, and you can like get a sweat on as well, so it's like burning calories.
I think I could get like a tight kit one.
Yeah, I'm sure you can.
This, I'm like latex.
I've not seen that.
Whoa, whoa. Extreme close up. You are rocking it. Oh, you look like an intrepid explorer.
Hi, that's me, Intrepid Luke.
Oh no!
I'm like, you're sucking. I don't know what you're sucking. If you're sucking,
Looks like Tracy's been out driving again. So we came off that pretty unscathed, really. Luke, how are you? Wet or dry? Dry. Nice, Trace.
I would have been wet. I'm alright, my feet are very wet. Glad I switched to flip-flops.
Top tip for ponchos. Daisy, let's have a look at your poncho. See how it scrunches up? They're cheap as chips. They're £1 from Tesco's, I think.
Yeah.
Top buy. So we're heading out of Asia over to Pandora because we've got a fast pass for Navi River Cruise.
Navi River, yes.
All around Disney there are lots of little shortcuts you can take. This is the one from Africa. If you go past the Lion King and you want to get to Pandora, this is a really nice shortcut. Tracy's not been on this before because we only found it on our last trip, but less crowds, nice and scenic. So we're heading on to Navi River with our fast pass.
Well, here we are guys, Pandora. Light years away from our own planet, and yet still one of the galaxy's most notorious tourist destinations. So, you know, with all the flora around us, easy to see why it's become a fan favourite. And we're going to have a little look
through the Navi River journey here. Very spiritual adventure, one that's really fantastic for the soul.
So this is the queue for Navi. Lots of lovely lanterns.
Oh,
baby, baby.
Mine was way back. Why did you everything? Oh, American.
Fly like a... Oh.
Just saw one outside.
Yeah.
That's a very nice relaxing ride.
Hello.
Yeah, and we're heading over to Everest.
They look like you on the monkey bars.
So we're heading into Asia, and what a view. If you've seen that before, you know what it's like when you see it. It's just huge.
Okay, we're going to go on one of the most ambitious expeditions we've ever been on. Mount Everest. Now some seriously high altitudes, which is perfect. If you want to survive, you've got to get to high ground.
Hi Luke.
I've still not fixed it.
This is a cool gift shop though. So that's Everest done. Absolutely fantastic. Tracy doesn't like that one, so she didn't do it.
That's a bit too extreme for me. I don't do extreme rides. And by extreme, I mean anything more than mine train.
Tracy's promised to do Slinky Dog this trip, but I think she's freaking out and trying to back out of it.
I'm going to leave it a few days. I need to get my Disney legs before I try anything like that. But I think I will try it. Said it on camera now, so...
I think you need to say, I would definitely try it.
I'm definitely going to try it. I'm committing. I'm going to do it.
Nice. So we're heading over to Flight of Passage because we've got a fast pass. So we are in the gift shop in Pandora. The world's greatest sweets that used to be sold here. Oh, he's had enough. He can't believe it. He's so upset.
It's so nice. You don't have any.
So we're heading on to Flight of Passage down the fast pass line. We've only ever ridden this on the fast pass, so we've not done the actual queue, which is a bit of a shame because it does look brilliant, unlike the videos that we've seen of it. But we've not managed to do the queue yet, but looking forward to this ride. One of the great things about the My Disney experience is, Yornie, you can make dining reservations when you're in a line. Where are we going?
Frontera Cocina.
Which is?
Apparently very nice.
Yeah, Tracy's not eating there.
I'm really looking forward to it because these guys had a chance to do this in May when I wasn't here and they've been raving about it ever since, so I'm just like really excited.
Yeah, it's great.
Powerful animal called an egron, or as we call it, a banshee. Start scan. You've all those? Yes, got them. Now let's find you your avatar match.
That's Flight of Passage done. Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. So we're going to see if we can get a table in the Satu'li Canteen. We have never eaten here, so hopefully it's not too bonkers. So we've had a lovely spot to sit at the Satu'li Canteen, and Daisy's just used the mobile order. So I'm sure we'll get a little alert when it's ready.
I think we might.
This is what our food looks like. It looks pretty good. Oh, those shrimp look good, mate.
Huh?
Those shrimp look good.
Yeah, they are good.
Daisy, we got one of these cheeseburger pods as well, because we've been watching these on the telly.
Yeah.
Let's have a look inside. Wow.
They look good.
Yeah. Right, time to get stuck in. So we just finished our meal at Satu'li Canteen. It was blooming yummy. How was yours, Luke?
Yeah, it was really nice. Shrimp was good. Rice was okay. Yeah, it was a good little pizza.
Tracey?
The noodles with the grilled chicken, it was really tasty, really nice.
Yeah. And how was yours? And we used the mobile food ordering app, which was a game changer because you didn't have to queue up, just went and collected, gave our reference number, and then we were good to go while everyone else was queuing up. So top tip for using that app. So we have had a lovely morning in Animal Kingdom. Got plenty done.
Yeah, loads.
Yeah, so we're going to hop on the bus back to the resort, hopefully a bit of a swim.
Whoa!
There's a load of scrim up there, don't know what's going on there, but it looks like some heavy machinery in there doing some digging. We're just walking back to our room, but look how cool that thatch is. And being from Wiltshire, we see a lot of thatch, so I feel like I'm a bit of a thatch connoisseur. I like the way these beams look like they're made out of cartoons.
They look like they're made out of like those cabana sausages you can get from Waitrose.
Oh, now I want to bite it.
Yeah.
No, they're Encona cattle.
What?
You know, chili sauce cattle. So we're all clean, all scrubbed up, all ready to go. We're heading down to Disney Springs. A little bit of shopping. What's that place called we're having dinner?
Frontera Cocina.
Yeah, I love that place. Funny, really did.
It.
I can't say it, and I always forget what it's called. But I love it. Tracy's never been there.
No, we're looking forward to it.
Luke reckons it's one of the best places he's ever had dinner.
Yeah.
And Daisy
I love it.
thinks
So good.
it's fab. So we're going to hop on the bus, see you at Disney Springs. I need to do a shout out in this lift, because look, all the walls are like textured. Ooh, oh yeah. Very nice lift. This is super nerdy, but I saw these earlier. See these laundry carts? They're like powered.
Wow.
I know, right?
This is the highlight of my holiday.
Powered laundry carts. And getting one of those for us. This is our walk to the bus stop. It's a bit fancy. So we're back at one of our favourite places in the world. Disney Springs. Yeah, that's lovely. So it's a Friday night tonight, so it's pretty busy. I was really hoping this was going to be open. It doesn't look like it's quite ready yet. So it looks like our first stop of the night is going to be World of Disney, which we love in there.
I love it since it's been refurbed actually. I think it's much easier to find things.
Yeah.
Great.
Loving these. Yeah. That's just projected on the wall in the shop. Mad in there. Decided to abort. Because we love Disney Springs, but it is a bit busy here now.
Yeah, Mum raised a good point that it's Friday evening, which might be a factor, but it is really hectic over there. And it's, you know, it's a problem when we're in World of Disney and Daisy goes, abort, get us out.
So we're here at Vauxhall Frontera.
No.
What? What's it called?
Frontera Cocina.
That's what I said. That's what I said. Vauxhall Frontera. And we've got some starters. Got some guacamole. What's it like?
Very nice.
Oh, that cheese stretch. We got some cheese dip as well. Looks yummy.
I've used a fork.
So the carne asada has arrived. What a glorious bit of meat. How is it? The girls have got their bits. I got the same as Luke. It is super noisy in here though. So we're at the bus stop. How was your dinner?
Really nice. Very full up.
Daisy, did you enjoy your meal?
So good.
Did you enjoy
Yeah,
yours?
it was really nice. Very filling.
Yeah.
We're all very, very full.
Yeah. So I think we'll call it a night for tonight. Hope you enjoyed that. We had a great day. Everybody in?
I'm in now.
Everyone in? So that's it from us. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.